Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of activating Univision on a new device so you can start watching your favorite shows instantly. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Download the Univision app. First, ensure that you have the Univision app installed on your device. You can find it in your device's app store. Simply search for Univision and click on the download or install button. Step 2. Open the Univision app. Once the app has been installed, locate the Univision icon on your device and open the app. You'll be greeted with the welcome screen. Step 3. Sign in or create an account. If you already have a Univision account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Click on the Sign Up button and follow the instructions to enter your information. Step 4. Select your device type. After signing in, you may be prompted to choose your device type. Make sure to select the correct device from the list provided, as this is important for the activation process. Step 5. Get the activation code. Upon selecting your device, an activation code will be displayed on your screen. Take note of this code, as you will need it in the next step. Step 6. Visit the activation website. Using a web browser on a computer or another device, go to the Univision activation website, which is usually provided within the app. Enter the activation code that you received in the previous step. Step 7. Complete the activation process. Once you enter the activation code, click on the Activate or Submit button. The website should confirm that your device is now successfully activated. Step 8. Return to the app. Go back to the Univision app on your device. You should now have full access to all available content. Enjoy watching your favorite shows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and insights. Thank you for joining us today.